Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Jazz. I do makeup, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you've watched my previous video, you'll probably realise that I have exactly the same hair, wearing the same top, same makeup. The glasses is the only difference from the last video. That's because I did film them all on the same day. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, check out the video before. So as you'll see from the title, today's video is another GlossyBox video. So I received the November GlossyBox a couple of days ago, and I literally haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it on camera with you guys. So this month's box is just the sort of standard pink box, but it's makeup themed, which I'm super excited about. So I thought I'd turn the camera around like last time. Super cozy vibes at the minute. Got my candles going, my fairy lights. I've even got a blanket. But yeah, I just thought I'd go this way round so that you can see me unboxing. So let's take the lid off. I'm gonna try and do this all one-handed. Lovely. So I love how it's always like ribboned up. I think that's so cute. So let's try and open the ribbon. So yeah, this month's theme is makeup and magic. And I will actually use the booklet this time. Yes, so you get the booklet which tells you everything that's in there, which obviously I didn't realise till last. This is exciting. We have a spectrum brush. So I'm just going to pop this one to the side for the minute. And then again, it's super cute and packaged. I'm not too fussed about breaking this time, to be honest. All I've done with my other box is just close it and put it to the side. But I actually can't do it one-handed, so 2 seconds. So that was a really poor attempt, and I actually did end up ripping it, so there we go. So here we have our contents, super exciting. So the first thing I can see is an eyeshadow palette, and then we have got some other cute bits as well. My camera died in my last video, and I feel like it's going to die in this one as well, so if that happens, I'm very sorry. Usually I'd save the best till last, but this is just screaming my name. So this is the LA Splash eyeshadow palette. I've seen quite a few people using this. If you'd like to see a video of me using it as well, definitely let me know. Let's try and get this one out. Yes, oh goodness. I love that it's got this pattern on the front here as well. Let's see what colours we've got. Oh, I love this. So super neutral. I love that there's a black as well and some shimmers. So this would be really good for anybody that's starting out, or if you just love neutrals. Love that. I'd swatch the shimmers for you guys so you can see what they look like. So this is called Rose Quartz. Oh yes, love that. They're super soft. So obviously that's like a rose gold shimmer. That's beautiful. The next one I believe is called Citron or Citron. Goodness knows. So that's like a more of a ambery gold. And then this one is called, oh, this one's called Amber. So again, this one's a bit more orangey, more of an amber. Yeah, I love those. Super excited to use that one. So yeah, that is the eyeshadow palette. So it's by LA Splash. This one retails at £29, and I believe that this is a full-sized one as well. So that's really good. So let's dive on back into the box. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is Generation Clay, and this is a brightening purple clay mask. I love a good clay mask. So I believe this one is different between each box. So I actually had an email about the info for this one, as it's different in the book. So the one in the book is this one here, which is the Mud Masky Leave On Auto Mask. But obviously I don't have that one in my box. But I will find out the information for this one, and I will leave it all down below. So I just thought I'd pop in a little voiceover. So obviously this is a brightening mask. It helps to brighten and revitalise the skin. It is a mini version. The full-size version retails at £19.30. I will leave the full product linked down below as well. Back in again, and I'm going to pull out this one here. So this is an argan oil deep conditioner. So that's really cool. I love argan oil products. Oh, the camera does not want to focus on it. It's because of the shine. So yeah, it says it strengthens and restores dry and damaged hair. I think we all need a bit of that, especially after the summer and stuff. And I just love a deep conditioner, so this will definitely get used, especially now my hair's a lot longer than it used to be. I always find the ends get really dry, so I'll definitely be using this one next time I wash my hair. And this one retails at £2. That's so good. So literally £2 for a big sachet of deep conditioner. Next, I'm going to reach in and grab the Spectrum one. Super excited about this one too. A Spectrum brush, and it is the B07 Tool Crease Blender. It doesn't want to focus on that for some reason. Again, I'm going to try and open this. I love that it's in a little paper sachet as well. That's really cool. Super sort of eco-friendly packaging. Let's try and get this one out. There we go. So here is the brush. It's super fluffy. I love feeling a new fluffy brush. Is that just me? Or let me know if you're the same. So yeah, it's the Spectrum B07, and yeah, it's a blending brush. So I'll definitely be adding this to my brush collection, and I'll probably use it out when I test the eyeshadows. Super cool. And if we just have a look in here, so this is the Spectrum brush. That one retails at £7.99. So again, it's obviously a full-sized brush, which is really good. So I think everything we've had at the minute, maybe not the mask, but everything is full-sized, which is really good, considering I'm only paying £11.75 a month like that. And then last but not least, we have this one here. Oh, I can see it. That's beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's like a nice blue coloured, or it's purple coloured gel mask, and it's got sparkles in it. That's amazing. I love that. So this is K Bella, I guess. Recharge and Restore Purple Moonstone Glitter Gel Mask. I love that. It says it recharges the mind and rejuvenates the skin. I love a good face mask. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. It's like it's got, there you go. See that? This is the actual mask. It's got glitter in it. That's insane. Definitely going to be testing this one out soon. And again, that's a full-size product. Let's just have a look here. It retails at £2.49. Again, that's such a good price, like £2.50. It's like pence, isn't it? Amazing. So here are all my amazing goodies that I've got in this month's box. How amazing are they? And all full-size products. So I'm super happy with everything I've got in the box this month. Super excited to give out the makeup bits a little try, and just nice to have a little pamper, especially during lockdown. Like I said in the last video, it's such a nice treat every month. Can't wait for the Christmas one to see what we're going to have in that one. But it's also a really nice gift, like with Christmas and things coming up. You could sign up your mum or your sister or your friend. And like, it's just such an easy way of, it's an easy present. Like, they get something every day. Every day, not every day, that would be amazing. They get something every month for either 3, 6, 12 months, or you could just do a one-off box if there was a box that maybe, you know, someone that's really into their makeup and just like to treat them to something with a bit of a pamper as well. Like, you could buy the October, November, December box. You could buy the boxes separately and just give them as a gift as well. It's super nice. Yeah, it's just something to look forward to be honest, with all these uncertain times and things. It's just nice to have a little pamper, and self-care is the most important. So as before, I will leave the GlossyBox link down below. If you like this video, smash a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to see the next ones, and leave any comments down below. So if you want to get your hands on the box, check out the links down below, or if you want to sign up and get a treat like me every month, then I will leave it all down there for you. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.